Hello, everybody. This is Matt Kern. I'm here with Carlton Hall. How are you doing today, Carlton?
Excellent, man. Great
Awesome.
to see you.
Yeah, great to see you too. We've just had a great time talking by the last 45 minutes, getting to know each other. And so this is a speaker highlight for the Intersect event that we'll be doing on September 17th. And so what we want to do with this is just let everybody get to know, really, gosh, we were just talking about the quality of speakers that are going to be a part of this. And it's really awesome. So tell us just a little bit about yourself personally.
Sure. First, I'll say I'm honored to be a part and among that group, and honored to be a part of this great event that's going to take place next month. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Uh, I, I am a preventionist, and as a preventionist, I believe in three things. I believe that the best way to stop a problem is best way to solve a problem is to stop it from starting in the first place. I believe that in the full engagement and empowerment of the community in helping to solve that problem. And I believe in being guided by science in order to produce population level change. And the extraordinary thing about this event is that that's what this whole event is about. So it aligns perfectly with what I believe. I've spent the last 25 plus years in having the ability to learn from some of the best thinkers in our field. I've truly been blessed by that. And to be able to apply that, what I've learned in those principles and those concepts to helping communities across this nation and even internationally.
Yeah, and I'm telling you, your reputation precedes itself because I've actually heard a lot about you and how people engage with you and how when you do speak, how much they can learn from you. So talk about some of the just a little hint on some of the things that you bring to the table, some of the things that the value that people can learn from you and the things that you do.
So um, I it, I had the great honor and privilege of for more than 12 years working to with leadership to help develop, design, and deliver one of the premier training and technical assistance delivery systems in the country at the Community Anti-Drug Coalitions of America. And in that space, I've had the extraordinary privilege of working and supporting communities all over the nation. So being able to provide and identify the principles, the tools, and the tactics of prevention science in the widest variety of contexts,
Yeah.
right? And so learning how do you take these frameworks and these principles and translate them and customize them. So whether you're working in a very rural community or a very or inner city urban community or everything in between, being able to help communities get smarter
Yeah.
about what it is that they're doing faster is really what my company has been about since we've been able to establish it, and that's kind of what we've been about. So I'm hoping that with the time that we have at this event, that we're going to be able to offer some of those tools, and we have extraordinary speakers
Oh, yeah.
going to be at
It
this
really is.
event. And
Yeah.
so everyone's going to kind of bring their own thing to the game, and what we're hoping to be able to bring is what we've been focused on for the last few years, which is really helping the country change the conversation
Absolutely.
around and about prevention. And so that's what we're hoping to be able to offer. That's what I'm hoping those who are listening to us today will really kind of connect with and really want to just come on and join us.
Yeah, absolutely. And one of the things that excites me is, as you and I, as we first started talking in our conversation today, we really both are talking about the experience, right? But bringing experience, and everybody has life experience, and you just touched on that. But from a rural to the inner city to everywhere that we're at, we all bring a different experience, but we all intersect at the same time, right? And I think it's so important now in this country and where we're at today is that we really focus on lifting each other up. We help each other out. And that prevention message is so important right now with everything that's going on. You know?
Yeah, yeah. Listen, uh, uh, I'm a recent grandfather.
Oh, wow.
right?
Congratulations.
Extraordinary, right? And it's changed my life, and it's changed my entire worldview, and it's changed um, 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 the the drive
Yeah.
behind why it is that I do what I do,
Love
and
that.
that those who will be joining us, I believe, will be doing it. I'm going to be very upfront and honest. I'm very selfish.
Yeah.
My motivations are very selfish. Uh, there are indeed some extraordinary things that I've seen take place across and around the nation, extraordinary individuals, champions around this country that are getting up every day working to try to make this place a better,
Yeah.
safe, and healthier place, right? And I have the great privilege of working with those kinds, like those are my people, those are
Wow.
my peeps,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
And when um, they're doing what it is that they're doing, all I can think of is they are making this world a better place
Yeah,
for my grandchildren,
exactly.
right? That's really
Absolutely.
what it's all about. If we do our jobs well, then my grandkids won't necessarily be impacted in the same way as those who may be going through some challenges today
Yeah.
are impacted. Hopefully, we'll be able
Wow.
to do something about it.
Yeah.
So that's part of what it is that brings me some real joy about participating in events like we're going to have.
Wow, and I love that because you just said it right, and I think everybody that's on this panel and going to be speaking during this event, they're
Hmm.
all like-minded people, and every single one of this panel is really trying to make a difference.
Lucato, who is going to be one of the speakers. I mean, he's gonna rock you with an extraordinary story that he has to tell, right? Amy
Oh, I
Ronshausen,
love that. I
one of
love
the
Amy.
premier leaders
Yeah,
in our country. I mean, extraordinary intellect, and her organization, the Drug Free America Foundation,
it's incredible.
doing this kind of premier work around policy efforts across the nation, bringing able to be able to bring that tool, and everybody else that
Yeah,
is contributing. This conference is going to really have something for everyone.
yeah,
And so, if you're looking and interested in tools, in skills, or in tactics that will help you to take those next steps with respect to the challenges and changes that you're trying and that you're working towards, this is the place
yeah,
to be. And I'm excited to be a part of it.
yeah. Well, Carlton, thank you. Like I said, we don't want to give away too much, but we want people to know this is going to be an
Oh man,
incredible
I'm
event.
ready to get started right now.
Yeah, we could just go. We'll just talk till then. So yeah, thank you so much for being a part of this. And everybody, September 17th, come join us. Come be a part of this event. Come learn. Come interact with us. You'll be able to learn from Carlton. You'll be able to ask him questions. You'll be able to, it's going to be just a great event. So thank you so much. I've loved our hour together today, getting to know each other, and
It
just
was a,
join us. It's going to be awesome.
it was a privilege. Come on and help us change the conversation.
That's it. Change the conversation. That's what it's all about. Let's lift each other up, make a difference.
Amen to that.
All right, amen. Thank you, brother. And I look forward to it. It's going to be awesome.
Likewise, my friend. Take care. God bless.
God bless you too.